walked all the way, waddled, seen his cage, and that way he's off.
Yeah, and now he's happy he's on his cage.
Yeah. So I'm coming. He's like, how the fuck am I gonna get up there?
Oh, he's going.
Fool yourself. You're a charming little bird.
Yeah, he is. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Now he's gonna go to the top and not know how to get in it.
No, we'll open the door. Yeah.
The door is open. See? He's looking. How do I get in?
It's like I feel stupid.
See, now he's gonna...
The door.
I just passed the door. Boy, do I look stupid.
Look at him. He's on the door now.
Get in?
No, he closed the door. Jack, you are a retard. Yeah, you hissing. You hissing for no reason. You're hissing for no real reason.
Just lovely. So you're on the lower class scale with them. Yeah. Why do you even bother with them? You have no other choice? No other choice? See.